Open the present. Pull it out. Open it up. He's opening it up. Tear it apart.
Whoa!
Here it is, yes! Thank you! It's not yours, Ava. Yes!
The little chatty Cathy said she was welcome. Ava
I'll
said
put
you're welcome.
$10.
Yeah. Put the $10 in your piggy bank. Maddox
What did
is putting
Maddox
his
get,
$10
Ava?
in his piggy bank. And here, I'll put it in there and let him talk to you.
Alright, what do you say to Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome. Now that was the only green one I saw. Is that the green one you saw?
Yeah. On TV.
I'm going to tell you something.
What? Cannot shoot it at people. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
If I hear that you shot a dart at your sister or any other person, I will not be very happy.
My father.
You just shoot that like up in the air or, you know, I don't know if you want to shoot it in the house. It won't hurt, but don't be.
We say happy birthday to you. Okay. Now? Okay.
You want to sing?
You might want to tell your mom to check out your,
Okay.